Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from SONY Xperia 10.3 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just tap on Open. From here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to do the same on SONY. Sorry, misclick. And then we can finally select Receive on an Android and Send on SONY device. Then tap on all of those dots. Then you need to choose Send, and this way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will only click on one photo, just for example, choose Send and click Got it. Over here we have the ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and tap on Receive. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!